How to replace a human touch Circa left side board. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, needle-nosed pliers, 4mm and 5mm Allen wrenches, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, open the power cable lock, then disconnect the chair's power cable from the power supply cable. Next, place the remote on the chair seat, then remove the head pillow. Now, tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Using the palm of your hand, strike the top of each of the chair feet until the chair base detaches from the mounting post, then remove the chair base. Next, use a needle-nosed pliers to remove the clip that secures the footrest actuator hinge pin, then remove the pin. Also remove the white washers. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the black plastic panel concealing the actuators, then remove the panel. To detach the 4 control box mounting straps, you first need to clear a retaining hook before sliding the strap off the bracket. You may find it helpful to use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the straps. Detach all 4 straps. Now, follow the 2 cables from the left side board to the cable bundle. Cut the zip tie that secures the cable bundle, then isolate the 2 left side board cables. Disconnect the 2 left side board cable connectors. With the 2 cables isolated, install a new zip tie around the remaining cable bundle. Confirm that the sideboard cables are free of the cable bundle. Next, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the screw from the sideboard mounting post. Locate the clip that secures the rear of the sideboard to the chair, then use a needle-nosed pliers to remove the clip. You can now remove the sideboard from the chair. Place the sideboard on the floor with the mounting post facing upward, then use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the mounting bracket to the sideboard. Remove the mounting post. To install the new sideboard, first place it on the floor, with the mounting holes facing upward. Align the mounting bracket holes with the corresponding holes in the sideboard, then replace the 4 Allen screws to secure it. Next, align the sideboard mounting post and hole with the corresponding post and hole on the chair, then install the posts into the holes. Now, use a needle-nosed pliers to replace the clip that secures the rear of the sideboard to the chair. To replace the clip, insert the ends into the mounting post hole, then bend the ends of the clip to secure it. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, replace the Allen screw to secure the sideboard mounting post. Connect the two sideboard cable connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair. Now, add the two sideboard cables to the existing cable bundle, then install a new zip tie to secure it. Cut the excess zip ties. Next, tuck the cable bundle behind the chair frame, then reinstall the control box assembly by sliding the mounting straps over the mounting posts. You may find it helpful to use a small flathead screwdriver to guide the straps over the posts. Now, slide the black plastic plate over the actuator shaft and into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Manually move the footrest to align the actuator mounting points, then place the pin into the top bracket just far enough to hold it in place. Reinstall the washers between the actuator shaft and the lower mounting bracket, then push the pin all the way through the mounting point. Replace the clip to secure the pin. Next, align the arrows on the chair base with the arrows on the mounting post, then push the chair base onto the mounting post as far as it will go. Return the chair to the upright position, then place the remote loop over the mounting post. Replace the head pillow. Finally, connect the chair power cable to the power supply cable, flip the connector lock closed, and you're done.